Today I want to show you how to do the up the chest behind the neck. Before watching this video, I recommend you see the over the shoulder behind the neck. I'll put a link in the description, or if you look at a little eye in the top right hand corner, you'll get to that video. Here's how it's done. You're going to start holding the bow near the end. You're then going to bring it behind you as if you're going to start in over the shoulder, but instead of going up, we're going to go horizontally towards the left. Your right hand should then be by your left hip, and you're going to start by pressing the bow against your body. It'll come out of your hand, and it'll slowly roll up your body. It's good to aim it so that the grip hits your shoulder here, and then you're going to tilt towards the right so that the bow now falls towards the left. You're then going to turn your body as it comes towards the left, step over with the right, grab it with your right hand, take that left foot behind, untwist out. One of the things you want to avoid is throwing the bow. It needs to roll up the body so that it can fall nice and easy when it gets to the top. If you try and throw it, what's going to happen is it's going to hit your shoulder and bounce off. So it needs to be a nice roll. One cool way to do this trick is to start off with the long part facing the left. From here, you can start spinning the bow so that it comes first towards the front, then comes up above your head. You complete a full spin. Once it comes back here and your arm's kind of corkscrewed, you bring it down. Once it comes back horizontal here, you bring it across towards that left hip, and you can do the trick, like so. Thanks for watching the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and check out and subscribe to my channel for more videos.